লাল বক্সের লেখা আমি পড়ব, নীল বক্সের লেখা তুমি পড়বা। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। Which place do you like most? Why do you like it? How did you come to know about this place? What are your future plans regarding this place? Nice to meet you. See you later. Allah Hafiz. লাল বক্সের লেখা তুমি পড়বা, নীল বক্সের লেখা আমি পড়ব। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। There are several places I like, for instance, my hometown, historical place, museum, and so on. Among them, I liked my village. My village is situated in Chatpur. I love my village. I like it for a number of reasons, such as it's beautiful, it's natural, it's neat and clean. I came to know about this place since my childhood. My future plans regarding this place are: it will be modern, people will be more educated, more factories will be built. Nice to meet you too. See you later too. Allah Hafiz.